Your Majesty of the West, all rise and pay heed to the Royal Highnesses of the West, and pay heed to His Highness of Awertha.
Thank you. Please be comfortable. Team sport up here.
Team sport up here. Yeah, this is great. Your Majesty, do you have words for the punches before we start quick?
How's everyone's war been? Woo! Thank you all for being here. Please, we can all be crowded in the shade if you need to. We don't bite. Thank you all. This has been an amazing war. I have had so much fun, in large part because of the amazing support of everyone here. Everyone has been very diligently working in the background, and your efforts are super appreciated. So we'll have a fairly short court today, but some important pieces of business, I think, and most importantly, Mai Tais. Go.
Let Celia now come before their Majesties.
Step down so I don't fall off. Don't. I do not want you to have to physically catch me.
Prefer.
Yes. So not only here, but also back at home, you are ferocious. And I have heard tales from many about your prowess on the field, your giant smile, which is right here. You're a joy to behold.
As the wood of the ash gives its strength and to stave and spear, so do the fighters who practice, study, and teach the various arts of combat strengthen the realm. It is the duty and pleasure of the crown to recognize and reward such deeds. Therefore, do their Majesties proclaim Celia worthy of great honor and to admit them to the right noble order of the Ash Leaf of the Kingdom of the West.
Huzzah!
And this beautiful scroll is illuminated by Lady Lisa Cotter of Meridies, with line work by Lady Eleanor of Grey. Hopefully, I'm sorry if I have missaid your names. Would you like to show that? May I put this on?
Thank you for crediting me.
In addition to Mai Tais, please be on the lookout for flying candies.
I accept.
Thank you so much.
But now you can
Candy.
No, you're all
Let Taylock come before Her Majesty.
Eric, come here.
I don't know if she's here.
I don't see her.
Well, moving on. We'll do that one later. Sorry, I'm new at this.
It's my time.
Let the members of the Silver Nib now come before their Majesties.
I don't remember. I think I am. Are you in the court? Permission to stand?
Yes, please. We wish to add a new member to your order this day.
Let Kisa, sorry, I'm really bad at names. Kisa now come before their Majesty, or Her Majesty.
So, Lady Kisa is of Meridies, and yet this wonderful gentle has been supporting the scribal arts of not only her own kingdom, but also of the West, sending countless beautifully done blanks. If you might have caught, the illuminator that I mentioned who did the last scroll is this fine lady. Not only do we have beautiful blanks, but also note cards, and you are a scribal machine. So for this, for your generous efforts, who would had you work with the silver nib. So very
For the newest member of the Silver Nib, hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah!
I just think the same thing.
Let Rhiannon Boyle now come before their majesties.
So, all is rain at every turn. You're asking, how are you? What do you need? Or silently doing things in the background so that things move better. You are a dedicated member of the Western populace to not only my reign, but many before, and I suspect many after. You serve in your own communities, and for that, we do this.
Those who give of their service to the kingdom and the various parts thereof support and enrich the realm. It is the duty and pleasure of the crown to reward such service with honor. Therefore, does Her Majesty proclaim Rhiannon worthy of great honor and to admit them to the right and noble order of the Leaf of Merit in the Kingdom of the West.
Incoming.
That was light.
Outgoing.
Right to the board.
Elimination by Finnick Cotter. Okay. Yep, we're gonna say Finnick Cotter.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Cheers.
3 cheers to the newest member of the Leaf of Merit. Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Woo! Oh, this name. Let Mori Tsubake come before me.
Close enough.
Is it
Sorry!
seaweed? Her name's Seaweed.
Desperate. Apologies.
We're finding shoes.
If she's wearing the hat, there might be 3 there. Okay.
So, I don't know if everyone knows
Yes, I have my.
this lovely lady, but she was on the front page of the paper. She was there
Good
too.
way.
It was just comparatively. It was a very large hat, a very gorgeous hat. And I have heard from several people, even just at this event, how much fun they had talking to you about it. And we thought that for your dedication to your arts, which are gorgeous, I have never seen you walk out of this camp not looking perfect. So for that,
Those who practice, study, and teach the several arts and crafts and sciences enhance and enrich this realm. It is the duty and pleasure of the crown to reward such skill with honor. Therefore, do their majesties proclaim Sabaki, sorry, I have to look at it. Worthy of great honor, admit them to the right and noble order of the Leaf